Hi, welcome back to my channel. What do you think? How to buy a new property? Would you like to know the step-by-step process on how it works? Well, let's move into the topic today. First, as well all know, you need to do the property selection whichever suitable to your need and budget. How it works? You need to do proper research by identifying available properties, visiting showrooms, and reviewing online listings. Consider location, developer reputation, amenities, pricing, and future prospects. Then once you have identified your desired property, the chosen developer will request you to prepare a sum of booking fee, which typically 2% to 3% of the property price, to secure the unit. When the booking fee is paid, you will receive a booking receipt and be assigned a unit of your choice. Second, the loan application process. Here is the important part. 1. Loan eligibility. Evaluate your loan eligibility by checking with various banks or financial institutions. You may also use online mortgage calculators or consult with bankers for the loan amount you qualify for. 2. Submit loan application. Once the unit is booked, submit your home loan application to a bank with the necessary documents, example income statements, bank statements, employment letters, credit reports, supporting documents like EPF, business registration, etc. And 3. Wait to check on the loan approval. Upon approval, the bank will issue a letter of offer detailing the loan terms. You need to sign the letter and return it to the bank. Third, once the bank process done, now signing of sale and purchase agreement, SPA. Usual timeline is within 30 days of booking. You must sign the sale and purchase agreement, SPA. You need to prepare the payment of 10% down payment. After deducting the booking fee, you must pay the balance of the 10% down payment upon signing the SPA. In some cases, the developers will give you a rebate or discount, which this amount will cover your down payment and ended up pay less of down payment or pay nothing all. But check with your developers if there is any rebate or discount. Then comes to legal process. Your lawyer will handle the legal procedures, ensuring that the SPA is signed by both you and the developer. Make sure that the SPA is in accordance with Housing Development, Control and Licensing, Act 1966 for residential properties. Also, please be aware that developers' legal fees. In most cases, developers offer to cover the legal fees for the SPA and loan agreement, but check for any additional costs. Fourth, loan agreement signing. After accepting the loan offer, you will sign the loan agreement with the bank, which outlines the terms of the mortgage. This is usually handled by the same lawyer managing your SPA. You need to also pay for stamp duty, legal fees, and other miscellaneous fees associated with the loan agreement, although some developers may offer subsidies. Fifth is payment progress, or progressive payment schedule. Usually, the progress billing in Malaysia is a payment to the developer is made based on the property's construction progress as stipulated under the SPA. As the house is built, the developer submits progress bills to you or the bank, and the bank will release payments accordingly. The payment schedule is defined by stages of construction, example foundation, walls, roofing, completion, etc., with typical milestones as follows. Upon signing SPA, 10% completion of foundation works, 10% completion of framework and walls, 15% completion of roofing and plumbing, 25%, etc. 6. Wait for property completion. The construction period typical timeline for property completion is 24 to 36 months, depending on the type of property, either landed or strata. Periodically, you may visit the construction site or receive updates from the developers on the inspection to make sure things are going right as expected. 7th, there you go. Notice of vacant possession, VP, issuance of VP. Once the property is completed, the developer will issue the Notice of Vacant Possession, VP. This means the property is ready for handover. Certification. The house must be certified with a Certificate of Completion and Compliance, CC, by the architect, which confirms the property is safe for occupancy. Finally, 8th, final payment and key collection. You need to settle the final payment before you can collect the keys due to any remaining payments, such as the balance of the purchase price, maintenance fees, example for strata properties, and other charges like the sinking fund, example for condos. The developer will be handing over keys. Once all payments are settled, and you will be invited to collect the keys also. They will do a house tour and conduct an inspection of the unit. Ninth, defects inspection and defect liability period, DLP. After receiving the keys, inspect the property for any defects or issues, such as cracks, faulty plumbing, or electrical problems. You'll have the right to report any issues during the defect liability period, DLP, which is usually 24 months from the VP date. Report defects. Submit a written defect report to the developer, in some cases, since mobile phone is playing a vital role in our lives. Some developers might have app to track the report, substituting the written form of reports, and they are required to rectify the defects within 30 days after submission. 10th, well, congratulations. Time to move in to your new house. For the utilities and renovations, you may need to arrange for the installation of utilities like water, electricity, and internet services. In some cases, the developers offer to settle all these arrangements. If desired, you can also begin renovations to the property, if allowed by the developer or management. Move in. Once the property is fit for occupancy and any initial defects are rectified, you can officially move in. Do not miss out on certain points and could be additional benefits. Pay for the stamp duty on the Memorandum of Transfer, MOT, which officially transfers the ownership of the property to your name. In some cases, first-time homebuyers may be eligible for stamp duty exemptions. Housing Tribunal. In the event of disputes, buyers can turn to the Tribunal for Homebuyer Claims, TTPR, for issues relating to the property. Well, we have gone through loads of information in this video, but let me recap. 1. Select and book the property. 2. Apply for a housing loan and obtain approval. 3. Sign the Sale and Purchase Agreement, SPA. 4. Sign the loan agreement with the bank. 5. Make progressive payments as the property is constructed. 6. Wait for property completion. 7. Obtain notice of vacant possession, VP. 8. Collect keys upon vacant possession, VP. 9. Inspect for defects during the defect liability period, DLP. 10. Arrange for utilities and move in. Following this structured process will help you navigate the property purchase smoothly. Happy shopping for new property of your choice. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more insights.